walked into the diner bowling free, till the milkshake stared right back at me. A creamy trap that I can't escape. My stomach growled, girl, it's not too late. Oh, I'm a lactose, I'm all running through the night, dodging dairy dangers, keeping my gut tight. Cheese and cream might tempt me, but I know the score. Lactose intolerance, I can't take no more. Mac and cheese, oh, it calls my name, but my belly plays a whole different game. Butter's betrayal, yogurt's like grin. I can't win this battle, so I won't begin.